3, 2, 1.
So how did you enjoy yesterday in Holiday World
Really good.
and Aqualand?
Really good.
Forgot to say actually, because obviously we left you yesterday, actually saying we was going to the escape room, but fortunately we couldn't film in there, which is understandable.
Yeah.
But it was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was
And
tricky.
what did we complete it? Yes, we did. But no, it is really good fun. I've never done one before. Probably do one again one day, but yeah. You enjoy it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are we off to now?
The beach.
What beach?
Amadorus.
Come on.
Amadorus.
There we go. The one with the mic. Yeah, so we're going to do the nice walk from Puerto Rico Beach to Amadores. Grab a bit of lunch, and we booked up the inflatable things that they have in the sea. So grab a bit of lunch, see what's down there. So join us. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
We'll see you soon. It's the best way to do it. Just jump in.
I'm not jumping.
I think I'm just going to have to jump.
Just go in, just jump, jump.
I'm going this way. Viene para acá. Just have to go for it.
Just go for it.
I can't go for it.
Boom.
Let's go in! Oh my god! Go in!
I'm in.
You got to swim over there now.
Honestly. That's a jump.
Go, go.
It's so cold.
Just jump, it's easier.
It's so
Go on, mate.
cold.
You got to go for it. Just go for it. 3.
Give me a 5-second countdown.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Is it nice? Nah. Right, okay guys. I'm going to hand you over now to the GoPro. Alfie, I promise I'm not going to push you. Can you do any flips? Hola. Hola. You like to do flips? No worries. Okay, I'm jumping. Alfie! Watch now! I burnt my legs. I got a suntan. I got burned. Oh. Go on. Go, go, go. Come on, I got you. Run, 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 run. I'm gonna go tell Frankie we got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Go, 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 go. Oh, you pumpkin! Go in. Go. Oh. Go on, quick. There you go, it's alright. Just go quick.
6 hours later.
Quick then, because people are waiting. Oh, come on.
1,000 years later.
Frankie, what are you doing?
Ah, you What do you mean, come on? Go! Vamos, vamos! I'm stuck! I generally can't get... Go, 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 quick! Do you want help? Get in! I'll come push you.
What do we do? Oh, I'm not touching that.
Do you want help? Do you want help now? Do you help?
Oh God, it's hard to balance.
Right over then. Right over this way. Oh, here. I'll sit down with you. Would you like a hand? There we are.
A few moments later.
There we are, you made it.
1 hour later.
You enjoying? Good.
2 hours later.
I'm getting too old for this, like.
Now me.
22 now, mate. I'm getting old.
3 hours later.
I'm not 23 until 24. Ah, near enough.
6 hours later.
Well, I'm gonna chill here for a while.
2,000 years later.
You gotta go right to the green, right to the edge. Ready? Ready? You okay? You okay? I see. I hope I got that on the video. Oh, hand animal. Frankie, come on! Climb over! I mean, climb over! I'm joking. Go on then! You're gonna swim through? You might as well do that!
Whoa, whoa!
Thank you. Alfie. No, no.
Let's record it.
Ok, te lo consigo prima e fresco.
Oh, go cheers, mate.
Vai, spegni il filo.
Thank you very much. Gracias. Yes, please. Thank you. Is that good?
I've already had a video on it, so
Money. Are you ready for something to eat?
Oh yeah.
Every time. One day someone's going to be on the other side of those doors, you know.
what do you think? No,
Not today. Hello.
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 Hello. Very nice, actually.
Hi, Frankie. Hi. Say hello, then.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Frankie.
I'm Alfie.
Delete that. Hello, Alfie.
No, I'm Frankie. See, what are you like?
Cut. Hi, boys.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a boy. That's good enough.
So, Frankie, tell everyone what we've got planned for tomorrow.
Paloma Spark.
Paloma Park.
What are
Looking
you
forward to that?
Yeah, very excited.
What are you going to see there?
Dolphins, animals, and more. Lions and tigers and grizzly bears. Oh my!
Sal? What are you having, Frankie?
Started.
Going for?
A steak.
Going for a steak.
Yeah.
First time having steak. Oh, let's see.
Well, I had a steak once, but my mum cooked it. She ain't not good at cooking. So this is my first, proper steak.
First proper steak where my mate cooked it, yeah? Fair enough. Well, we'll see what it's like.
Yeah.
You don't have ketchup for steak. Congratulations, boss. We hope you 100 more.
Oh, nice. Thank you very much.
Cheers, bye.
I knew you did. I heard you say birthday when we sat down. Right, it's gone. You seen a trick with that though? It's not good. It's come back.
6 hours later.
You try.
If he gets
You there.
So your Oreo cake. Right, so we just come out of Planet. What do you reckon?
really good.
You can't beat that restaurant, honestly. If you're in Gran Canary, make sure you go to Planet Steakhouse. They can't do enough for you, Rosie. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. So I highly recommend if you're down here or Rico, go to Planet. 100%. Right, we're going to see what's happening up and above. And let's go and see. Join us.
So we can try again. Likes me, like you. The crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes. A free mind takes you higher. Learn your fake post, honey, you're crying. Feel the wisdom floating over your hands, and I feel alright when I see you and I coming together to another dimension. We can prove our lives. There will be no mistake in love. Learning from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Oh, come on. Hey you, don't fall with this hurricane. I know, there is hope in your hand. Move on, it's just the beginning, my friend. Be strong, so we can try again.